Today, in front of our family and friends, I, Alison Sproul, have the greatest honour of taking you, Alan Blair, to be my husband. Alan, you have undeniably become my best friend and my one true love. You are the one person I look forward to seeing every day, and you are the one I get most excited to share my day with. You have stood by me through the darkest points of my life when I experienced pain and loss. You know all of my secrets and have seen all of my flaws, and yet still show me such unconditional love. Alan, you're my very own handsome hero, the kindest and smartest person I know. You are my rock. You are the calm to my raging storms, and in more times than I can count, you have made me feel safe, secure, and above all, happy. My favorite place on this earth is being wrapped inside your arms, and I feel so incredibly proud and privileged to get to spend the rest of my life with you, calling you my husband, and I promise to love you unconditionally like you have for me for the rest of our days.
Rings are the outward symbol of the bond that joins two hearts in love. Rings are without edge or seam. They have no beginning and no end, so that symbolises love that knows no end.
Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I'll give you all of me, and you give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you, even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down, I'm around through every mood.
Hey, you're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you.
My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind.
'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all.
Elsa, may your wedding rings always symbolise the friendship and love that binds your hearts and lives together. By the authority vested in me as a marriage celebrant, appointed under the law of New Zealand, and in the presence of your families and friends, I pronounce you husband and wife. Alan, you may now kiss your beautiful bride.
Your smart mouth, drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down.
What's going on in that beautiful mind? On your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright.
My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind.
'Cause all of me loves all of you, loves your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when
downfall. You're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you.
My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind.
Watching